Hey guys, welcome back. Say hi, Lucas. Lucas. This is Lucas, our foster dog. He's kind of timid and really can't pet him at the moment because he bites and he bites hard. I just wanted to show him real quick. He's a cute little puppy. Well, he's not really a puppy, but he is a sweetheart, believe it or not. Just can't touch him with your hands at the moment. Things will change though. Reason I'm doing this video is I wanted to show you these. This kind of cool thing. I'll show you. Should I turn on the light? Hold on. Legos. This is kind of a more advanced Lego than what you would see like your kids doing. I believe it was about a little over 1,000 piece set. It took me about 2 weeks to do in total. I got it for Christmas Eve and worked on it for pretty much about 2 weeks. The Lego part of it really wasn't the hard part. The hard part was this. Oops, don't want to do it. Hard part was setting up this part. The lights. Ooh, that's bright. See, it's pretty cool. You got lights down there, lights there, and then you got lights on the head of the and then you got the torch that lights up, and then behind it is all the wires and stuff. You can't really see it. Oh, there you go. There's a lot worse, more wires back there, but yeah, pretty cool. I'm hoping to do more of these. Fortunately, they're a little expensive, and Legos in Southern California right now are a hard thing to find. Sorry guys, again, recovering from a cold. This was a whole, again, building the Lego part was easy as pie. It was getting the lights set up. It was the most complicated process. And then for some reason they have you build the whole thing and then take it apart and put the lights on. But I guess the reason for that is not everybody buys the lights for it. Some people just buy Lego, which would be cool by itself. I'm hoping to do more of these. There's a whole lot more of them out there, and I'm excited to keep doing them. Again, they're a little expensive and hard to find, but you know, internet and just looking around, I felt like I did a pretty good job on it. I mean, it's not perfect. Again, with all the wires behind it, there's about a bazillion wires back there. There's no really easy way of hiding them. It's kind of like monkey see, monkey don't do, or whatever. What you don't see makes it disappear. But yeah, it was pretty cool. Wanted to show it. Again, it was a little over 1,000 pieces. The build itself took about a week, and then of course the wiring took another week. And no, I didn't work on it every day, but yeah, pretty much. And again, check out my channel, subscribe below, get my name out there, please. and make a comment. This is my disabled life, and enjoy.